AryuvaMakeup studio where dreams come alive, enhancing your skills, helping you thrive. A platform to grow and connections to make, advancing your art with each step you take. High quality tools and the tutorship to scalable art that will guide you through. We are the space to lift you up high, take you to levels that touch the sky. Every artist can shine and learn at Aryuva, where passions burn. AryuvaMakeup studio, the place to create, where beauty and talent collaborate. A journey to learn while you master craft. With every new skill you'll be laughing loud. High quality tools and the tutorship to scalable art that will guide you through. We are the space to lift you up high, take you to levels that touch the sky. Every artist can shine and learn at Aryuva, where passions burn. AryuvaMakeup studio where dreams come alive, enhancing your skills, helping you thrive. A platform to grow and connections to make, advancing your art with each step you take. High quality tools and the tutorship to scalable art that will guide you through. We are the space to lift you up high, take you to levels that touch the sky. Every artist can shine and learn at Aryuva, where passions burn. AryuvaMakeup studio, the place to create, where beauty and talent collaborate. A journey to learn while you master craft. With every new skill you'll be laughing loud. High quality tools and the tutorship to scalable art that will guide you through. We are the space to lift you up high, take you to levels enhancing your skills, helping you thrive. A platform to grow and connections to make, advancing your art.